You're going to really like this one. In today's video, I am bringing you along to a consignment store that's home decor only. It is the Turnstyle in Eden Prairie. One entrance is clothing and a whole separate entrance is home decor. I have brought things here to consign. I have shopped here. I hadn't been here in a while. I really loved it on the day I was there. Of course, the inventory changes and it comes and goes. So if you're disappointed or can't find what you want on the day you're there, check back. Come on, I want to take you along shopping with me. So today we're heading into Turnstyle Consignment, but as you see, there's a separate section that's called Turnstyle Home. There may be others like this in the Twin Cities. I'm not sure. I'm at the Eden Prairie store. So when you walk in, it's all curated to just be Easter items and spring. It is going to be 40 degrees on Sunday, which I think will be yesterday when I post this video. It really feels like spring. I am so happy. Winter's been a little cold the last couple of weeks. It's been cold. So to see the bright colors and to see the displays, it really everyone just gets in a better mood here. And it is staying lighter longer. So I'm really happy about that. Spring is coming. I can't wait to be outside more. Like I said in the introduction, we have brought things here and we have purchased things here. I hadn't been here in well over a year, so it was fun to be able to poke around, but I am just drawn to all the bright colors. It just, when you walk into a store and it looks like that in the entrance, you can't not continue to look around. So I think it's a really good thing when the first thing you walk into is all of these bright colors. It's been really fun for me to go to all of these stores locally when my husband and I are out running errands and we make trips to these places. It is hard to not purchase things. I've talked about I'm on a little buying hiatus for thrifting, but in this store I kind of wanted to buy for personal. And I had my eye on something, an ottoman that converted to like a table, storage ottoman, and then I decided, I maybe we should just wait. And if we move, if we downsize, it's not on our immediate radar to do, but you never know. I'd rather maybe start over again rather than try and bring some things into our home. Maybe it's would be more fun to kind of come back to places like this and purchase items if and when we end up downsizing a little bit. I don't know about you and looking at downsizing, but it wouldn't be the worst thing to do, but where do you go? Everything is so expensive. My mom, when we ended up helping sell her place, she moved out of a home into a one level townhome, and it was perfect for her. And she actually downsized. The townhome was less money than her home, and it was a perfect one level, perfect location. She lived a mile and a half from us, but now a mile and a half from us are like $1 million townhomes. I'm not sure what we're going to do about that. So we don't have any plans to do that, but you never know. I guarantee you, though, when that time comes, if I need anything new, you're downsizing, so maybe we wouldn't need anything new, but little trinkets. Absolutely 100%. I will be coming to a store just like this to replace the things that are outdated. And so it's a cycle, right? You have things you don't want. You're looking at new things. You're trying to get rid of what you don't need. You're adding things in. So at my age, you just start to be more selective and in choosing what you really need. And I don't need anything. So oh, this was so cute. It's hard to come into these places because I'm a shopper at heart, but I really have kind of honed in on not doing any more shopping that I don't have to do. So you can see the shelves are curated by color, and there's an example of them marking pieces down. So I don't know the schedule. I've done consigning here. I've had things marked down. I don't remember what the schedule is, but you will often find pieces that have lines through them and markdowns on them. And so you can pick up some really great bargains. If you're a thrifter, yes. If you're doing it for personal shopping, of course. So I'm going to set this to music for a little bit and let's poke around together. Here's an example of what I love. There's just different styles. This is intricate, like Victorian. Not everyone's taste. It's marked down already. Not everyone's style, but somebody's style. I mean, how cool is that? So if you're looking for something, I would check back often because this type of furniture does not come in that often. Look at that. I wonder where that came from. And now the artwork. So I was just talking about the artwork here. I get my hair cut with Candace. Hi, Candace. She said her and her mom watch. Hi, Mom. One of my favorite parts of Turnstyle is the artwork. It just goes on and on. She was telling me she was looking for artwork for her townhome. If you need a good hairstylist, Candace at Simonson's in Plymouth. I've been going to her for years. I love Candace. So here you go. Lots of different designs, lots of different types. There is furniture that is, solid colors, intricate patterns. It's a really great shop. Well, come on. Look at how cute this is. They did a little faux fireplace back here and the little pig with glasses and how colorful and fun and eclectic this is. So some people have mentioned they can't see the pricing on my video. So if you stop it and just blow up the price tags, you can see it that way. I'm oftentimes just kind of looking for myself and kind of curious, but if you do want to read some of those price tags, just stop the video and use your two fingers and scroll out, make it the screen a little bigger, and hopefully you'll be able to see some of those prices on some of the items that I take a peek at. So let's keep looking. What I liked here is this high quality new wicker outdoor furniture. That's not going to last very long. And I envisioned this piece in some really stately home. I bet that was down filled. This yellow, like in a porch at a home on Lake Minnetonka. That's gorgeous. I think that those two pieces came out of the same house as that first sofa and ottoman, two sofas that I showed you. Here's more of that artwork, lines the walls, crystal and glassware and lamps. You just can find everything. I was confused by this because you see those little strings hanging out of there. I'm like, why is there no, what is that? And as I pulled them out, the little leather tabs were just on the inside of the drawer. So that confused me a little bit. I had my eye on this. This was a convertible sofa where you could flip those and they become trays. That was nice. And we have a credit here, but I decided that no, we're going to wait and see. But that was the one piece I had my eye on, was that convertible sofa to go in our family room for storage and for trays to put things on. So, but I put that, left that behind. So we're going to end it here. I think you can see truly this store, Turnstyle Home in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, is one that you should absolutely go and poke around in. I guarantee not only will you see items that you love to possibly resell, you're going to find items that you love that you're going to need to take home with you. In my next video, I'm heading just down the road to the prop shop in Eden Prairie. That's another one. Eden Prairie, you're doing really, really well. That's another store that you are going to fall in love with. Thanks for shopping along with me.